Also, AI is going through a transition. In the early phases, maybe 5 to 10 years ago, AI is about early adopter, about researcher-driven, about PhDs who are so rare. Without them, there's no company. So the expert is the most important. During those phases, advantage went to the US for creating AI companies. But in the past 5 years, as technologies like deep learning matured, we've entered the era of application, where it's more about finding where AI can be used and how to build an AI product and sell it to the right people, and collect a lot of data and build a valuable company worth money. And there, the advantage would go to China. And that is an important shift that's important to recognize. So some of you might say, hey, wait a minute, is research not important anymore? Well, of course, research comes in cycles. The next breakthrough might shift the advantage back to the US. But if we look at the last 62 years of AI, there has been one breakthrough, and that's deep learning 10 years ago. We have not seen another equivalent breakthrough in the last 10 years. So to predict the cycle is coming in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years is possible, but maybe a little overly ambitious.